Hi there, students. Metanoia. Metanoia, a noun, both countable and uncountable. Okay, I'm sure you all know the word paranoia, but metanoia, this is a different word, and I think this is a really good word. A metanoia is a fundamental change in what you believe. A a change in character, a change in your outlook on life, and particularly when you feel really bad about something, you feel really repentant. So, a spiritual metanoia could be conversion from one religion to another. Metanoia from Christianism to Islam, or vice versa. Okay, but metanoia, this is a fundamental change in somebody's beliefs. Yeah, it's a change where you change your way of life because you feel guilty about something. Yeah, or your spirit has changed. So if we are to save our environment, metanoia is going to have to take place. Yeah, we can't just keep saying, oh dear, how terrible it is that all these species are disappearing. We actually need to do something about it. We need to change our way of life. We need metanoia. Metanoia needs to take place. Okay, so this is a fundamental change in the way you do something, a deep conversion, or a deep change in something. Yeah, so metanoia is a change. Very often when people discover that they are ill, this is where a metanoia takes place, where they change their lifestyle to be able to continue living. It's a fundamental change of mind. Okay, so metanoia, a change in your beliefs. That in history there are many examples of metanoia, of people changing their mind, of changing how to do something. I think maybe metanoia is something that is necessary when you are wrong. Um, I don't know. Children, they say, "I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry," but they're repentant in the moment. But very often, metanoia doesn't actually take place. This is when you actually decide, okay, I'm going to change it. I'm going to change my life. I'm going to change everything I do. And this is the idea of metanoia, when a real change takes place. Um, Okay, yes, he used to be a staunch conservative, but now he votes for the left and has leftist ideas. This is metanoia, where a turncoat who changes sides. This is again a case of metanoia. This is a case of a fundamental change in people. Um, I believe metanoia needs to take place in schools and in language learning, and I think the metanoia that is needed is a fundamental shift away from grammar and towards actually learning how to speak. Yeah, away from grammar, and metanoia to teaching people to speak and understand, because to me a language is being able to communicate. Yeah, you can know lots of grammar, lots of algebra, but if you can't communicate, then it's of no use. So I think very definitely metanoia needs to take place. I think also there needs to be political metanoia in the way that countries are ruled. I think there needs to be a metanoia away from black and white politics. This is good, this is bad. Yeah, this is left, this is right. Because I think everything has good qualities. Yeah, everything has good qualities and bad qualities. Yeah, even me. I'm good at some things and I'm awful at others. And I think we need a political metanoia where we take the best of different beliefs and different ideas. Formality. Well, firstly, with this word, I think if you use this word in a conversation, I get the feeling that a lot of native speakers are not going to understand it. I think I would probably give it a 6.5 in formality. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. Use it in a semi-formal conversation or above, something on the formal side. And then this word metanoia comes from ancient Greek metanoia, same word, repentance. Oh, I wish I hadn't done that. I feel so bad about it. Yeah, and then metanoia takes place and you change. Meta, after or with, and noeo, to think. So to think, well, with, to think after, to change your way of thought. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. I hope my channel causes a metanoia in the way that you learn English. Bye for now.